Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? Welcome to my channel. Now if you're new here, hi, my name is Saili and welcome to my channel. If you're new, do consider subscribing to my channel and do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. Now you see this glammed up makeup look, right? Now this is for the festival that's coming up, which is Raksha Bandhan. Now I know that I am posting this video a little bit early, but why not? We need to give chance to the newbies to try this makeup look. Now I want the newbies to try this makeup look a couple of times and get to the point on the day when the festival actually arrives. So I decided to post this video a little bit early. And if you want to know how I created this makeup look, do watch this video till the end. The products that I have used in this video are really very basic and they're not very from the high-end side, so anyone can try this particular look. Now without any further chit-chatting, let's dive into the video. So I haven't applied anything on my face. This is my bare face, and to moisturize my face before the makeup, today I'm going to use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel. I'm going to apply it all over my face. I will start with priming our face, and for that I'm using my Nykaa Prep Me Up. But for this particular makeup look, I'm not going to do my face makeup first. I'm going to do my eye makeup first because I'm going to do a little bit of smoky effect to my eyes. And since I do not want fallouts, I'm going to do the eye makeup first and then I'll go for the face. But before that, I'm going to prime my eyelids and my nose and the areas where I have majority of the open pores. I'm going to take my concealer and I'm just going to conceal my eyes over the lids and under my eyes as well. Taking my beauty blender to blend. Now this is a new beauty blender that I'm trying out. This is from Plum. I'm going to try this out a couple of times and then I'll give you the review of this particular beauty blender. Now to set my concealer, I am taking the Fit Me compact powder and I'm going to use a dry beauty blender to set the same. So I'm taking a little bit of it and I'm just going to dab it lightly under my eyes and over my lids as well. So now getting onto the eye makeup, I'm using my Makeup Revolution palette over here and I'm going to take a transition shade over here. I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to apply it all over my lids first. Now I am going to take my Colossal Kajal from Maybelline and I'm going to apply it over my lids and I'm going to blend it. Because I do not want a very harsh line or eyeliner, so I'm going to give this a little bit of smoky effect. So I'm just creating a thin line over here with this particular kajal. I'm taking this brown over here. This brown over here, and I am going to blend this brown shade on the upper line of the kajal so that it is evenly blended out. Take a small blending brush like this and I'm going to take a little bit of lighter shade of brown and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of pink. So I'm going to take this shade over here and I'm going to mix it with this shade over here. So I'm going to mix both of them and I'm going to do it on the crease area of my eye. Now we will go ahead and complete our face makeup, and for that I am going to use my Nykaa foundation. I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend it. I do not want a very powdery finish, so I am not going to set my foundation today. I will just use my contour palette to contour my nose and my cheeks. For contouring, again I'm using my Pro BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to go with shades this and this to contour. I have an angled brush like this, and this I'm going to use to contour my face. For contouring my nose, I'm going to take a smaller angled brush like this. Rose, I'm taking this Wet n Wild bromide from, for my eyebrows I'm taking the Wet n Wild bromade. This is in the shade medium brown. Now you can use, for eyebrows, if you are a beginner, you can use an angled brush, but I am used to using the brush. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild bromade, and I'm in the shade medium brown. Now it comes with a brush of its own, but I like to use an angled brush for my eyebrows. The face looks so great when the eyebrows are perfect, right? I love when the eyebrows turn out to be really very good. It instantly looks, I just feel that my face looks really very great when my eyebrows are properly done. Now my favorite step, using a highlighter, and today I am using the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow. Now this is a very natural looking highlighter. It is not very, it's not on the golden side, or it's not on the peachy side, but I think it's just perfect for any skin type. Fair, dark, any skin tone. It will look great on any skin tone basically. You see how beautiful this highlighter is? For my lips today, I am using this Nykaa cream lipstick. This is in the shade Goat 07. Now this comes in a very nice wand like this, so you do not need any application brush. This wand is perfect for your, to get it to the corners of your lips. And I'll just get my mascara and my eyelashes done, and I'll get back. So guys, this is it. This is how the makeup look has turned out. I really liked how the makeup look is looking, and I hope you like this video as well. Now I have tried to explain it to you in a very simple manner, and I hope you are able to recreate it. So until we meet for the next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and be beautiful.